Welcome back. You have done the experiment and now you're ready to make the graph. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to enter the data in the Google Sheets. You should open the Google Sheets friction graphs from your Google Classroom. That should have be a separate attachment. So let's enter the data. The weight of a shoe with one battery or 0 batteries, an empty shoe, was 1.1. The weight of the shoe with one battery was 2.2. Enter 1.1, 2.2, and with 2 batteries it was 3.8. Right, so that's the weight of the shoe pressing down into that carpet. And then the friction that we measured was 1.3 newtons for nothing added, 3.2 newtons, and 5.1 newtons. And so that's your data. So now you're going to make a graph with that. So again, notice that I do not put units there. If you put units here behind, say, 1.3 newtons, you seem to be thinking like, oh, I'm doing a very complete job. But the problem with that is in Google Sheets, when you put a letter in there, it thinks it's a word and it doesn't see it as a number anymore, and it will not make a good graph. So make a habit of entering numbers only, but in the column or the row where you are saying what is below it, you are going to say what the unit is. So when it says weight of shoe here in newtons, that means that all the numbers below here are in newtons. Same with the friction. So let's again take the data that we need, which is just, we have the first row, so cell A1 through B4. We're going to go to Insert, Chart, and it's going to come up automatically with a good chart. Rather than a line chart, I think we should take a scatter plot here. And it's a little bit better, although line chart is not really wrong technically. And then we are going to change the title a little bit. So you go to Customize, Chart Titles, and we're going to say friction of a shoe on carpet versus weight on shoe. And I think I don't really want the units in there because I already have that on this side, actually. Right? That's really all that you need to change, and you have this beautiful graph. What are you going to do right now? You're going to copy it. So you click on there, on the 3 dots, and it says Copy Chart. That's one way of doing it. Then you're going to go to your slides, and you're going to paste it on the page. You can link it to the spreadsheet, that's fine, so just click Paste. And now you have your graph here. Now you can write your conclusion. So how does the weight of a shoe affect the force of kinetic friction between the shoe and the carpet? Well, you can say something like, as the weight of the shoe increases, the force of friction between the shoe and the carpet also increases. And that will be that. Thank you for watching.